Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to show you a couple things that I picked up when we were at the beach. We went and spent Thanksgiving with Keith's mom. It was just the three of us. We had a really nice time. I hope you guys had a lovely Thanksgiving as well. But I did have the opportunity to go to the outlets, do a tiny bit of shopping, and a few of the things that I got I think are excellent Christmas gifts. And I have spoken about Vera Bradley before. I'm a huge Vera Bradley fan. So I wanted to show you what I picked up, and I'm really excited about it. Everything was on sale. You guys, these sales are just getting the best of me, but let me show you what I got. So I just really wanted to show you guys this giant size duffel bag that I picked up, and it is Vera Bradley, and it is the large size. It is perfect for a weekend getaway. I've been wanting to pick this up for quite some time, not sure why I never did, but I already have a duffel bag, but it is smaller than this one, but this is this really large size. The one that I have is the just regular size, and I've had this probably a good 4 or 5 years. And this one is the one with this thing here that goes on your suitcase. I've used it for air travel. It's perfect, but it fell short a little bit when we go on a car trip or a weekend trip, and I was wanting something larger, so I picked up this giant duffel bag. But I love Vera Bradley. I have been a fan for a long time because of the quality, because of the lightweight. It's such easy travel. I have never wanted a Louis Vuitton keep-all. My daughter's like, why do you not have a Louis Vuitton keep-all? And I said, I've never actually wanted one. I can't handle stress when I travel. And so bags like this, they look nice, they are durable, great quality, and they last for years. So I thought I would show you guys because I think that this would be a perfect Christmas gift. Everything's on sale. I will link Vera Bradley in the description box for you guys. But like I said, I've had this and this backpack probably for a good 4 or 5 years. So I've used them like crazy, and I decided that I would pick up the large size, and it goes well with this. They didn't have a backpack like this, or I probably would have picked up the black, but you can mix and match. And of course the patterns, these are discontinued, but I like that because I haven't ever seen anybody with this pattern. I thought it was really pretty. But anyway, I was just really excited about it, you guys, and yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you. And it, you know, they have tote bags, they have all kinds of stuff. So I'm sure you're aware of Vera Bradley. It's nothing like super special, but it's exciting to me. Okay, so now that I shared the Vera Bradley with you, I just think it's an excellent Christmas idea. If someone bought me something Vera Bradley, I would be excited. Okay, so when we were shopping, of course, I hit up Coach and I bought some gifts. Some of those are wrapped. And of course, I had to pick up a little something for myself. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so for a while, I have been wanting either a YSL or a Chanel walk. And when I was in Coach, I saw this. And I've seen the bags on the website and just fell in love with them. There's something about this combination that just really, I like it. Like, I'm digging this combination. So when I was in Coach, I saw this, and the sales associate said, you know, that comes from the flagship store. That's not actually made for the outlets, and there were 2 of them. So I grabbed them both, and I love it. And so I thought it was so pretty. I love the antique looking hardware on it. It's got a little back pocket, and I love to have bags like this for going to ball games, traveling. You can put it in your tote, and oh my gosh, I am just thrilled with this little thing. I don't know if I can find one to link, but they do make bags like this. And there's a bag that I've been looking at with this colorway, and I couldn't believe it when I saw this. So I had to grab it up. How pretty is this? I lost my train of thought. Okay, this is called the Varsity Stripe. And I've been looking at the Rambler, and I picked it up on my phone. So here is the bag that I've been looking at. So when I saw this Wallet Unchained, I thought, I'm getting that. But I really like this, you guys. I might break down and get it because this is the Rambler bag, and this is the walk. And when I saw it, I'm like, wow, it is so soft. Oh my gosh, it smells so luxurious. I am thrilled that I picked this up. So, like I said, there's several styles with the Varsity Stripe, but this is the one that I really like. I've been looking at it. It's finally on sale. I need to pick that up today, right? Or it'll sell out. But I just love the look of this bag. It looks such a casual vibe, and I just love the Varsity Stripe. And yeah, so there it is on. Such a cute bag. So this, the retail on it was $3.28, and I got it for $3.28, and I got it for $98. Bam! That's a score. So when I was standing in line to pay, I of course saw this, and I thought, you know, why not? It needs to match. So I picked this little card case up. It's so soft, you guys, so pretty, the horse and carriage. So I thought that was a great little set. Super excited to have it, but I seriously need that Rambler bag. So I'm going to put some of this in the description box. I'm not sure if I'll find this, but I'll look for it. But it's just basically like a little walk. But I love these Varsity Stripes. This is a very casual and just really casual chic vibe, I think. Oh, I forgot to mention one more thing. This is what I really love about it, because the chain comes off. So I can take it off, and the inside is solid leather, you guys. Every single stinking bit of it, let me get that out, is leather. So you have the card slots for your card. You have a big pocket back here, a very roomy pocket here, another front pocket, and a zip pocket. Wow, this thing is amazing, okay? So you have them, and then you have this pocket and a pocket on the back. Seriously, it says genuine glove tanned leather. This is a find, you guys, for $98. So yeah, I grabbed them both. I don't know what I'll do with the second one. I couldn't leave it behind. I could not leave it behind because I was standing in line. I just kept looking over there, and I thought, I'm getting it. So I just got them both. So anyway, you guys, I'm super thrilled. But yeah, this leather, and I love the fact that the chain comes off. I can store it inside. I can, if I want, I can just use it and go to dinner, because I do love a clutch. I can just carry it like this. And yeah, so yes, I'm so excited about this. I did get my mom something at Coach. I can't disclose it right now because she's probably watching. But do you guys ever check out the Coach jewelry? They always have such cute little pieces. So I picked up some of these little Coach bangles, like little enamel bracelets. I love enamel bracelets. So it's a set of 3. So it's a set of 3, and it's kind of that antique. It kind of goes along with my little bag I just showed you. So I picked these up, pink, light pink, and a burgundy. I just thought these were really cute, and they would be really cute layering bracelets. So I picked these up on sale. And then the one that I really wanted to show you was this. I love this, you guys. So it's the horse and carriage, and it's genuine leather, and it's just a black genuine leather wrap bracelet. So I thought they would be cute paired together So I thought it'd be really cute like that paired together. I just love to stack bracelets. And I just think it's a really cute look. Now, I'm gonna look and see if I can find some of this stuff, but I just wanted to mention this. I mean, it's just fun jewelry, but for the longest, I always just kind of overlooked that section on the website. I would always just look at bags and wallets and things like that. But they do have some really nice fashion jewelry that is fun, that amps up your style. I mean, I love fine jewelry, but I also love and really enjoy wearing pieces like this. So I don't know. You could wear it by itself. You could add some gold bangles. And I just thought this piece was so, so cute. And they had all different colors. So I will look and see if I can find them. But you guys always do check out the Coach jewelry because they have some really pretty little pieces. And I'm just really into these leather wrap bracelets. Okay. So you guys are all familiar, I'm sure, with QUAY Australia Sunnies. So I picked up a couple of pair on sale. And they came in this really pretty kind of snake look case. And this pair, I don't know if they're gonna suit me, but they are the aviators. I've never actually had aviators, but anyway, bam. What do you think? I really like them. Actually, I'm gonna be honest, they're not for me. I actually got these for my daughter for Christmas, and I don't think she's watching, and if she is, oh well. She's not a little girl anymore. But this is what she asked for. But do they suit me? I don't know. I've never thought aviators suited me, but these have that gradient lens, and the quality on the QUAY Australia Sunnies are just excellent. Aren't they pretty? So yeah, I picked these up for my daughter, and they came in this nice case. Now, you guys, I'm almost embarrassed to show you the next pair. I did not pick them out. I don't even know if they look good. I don't know if I look ridiculous, you guys. But I really want your opinion. Because Keith picked them out. I am so shocked that he picked this particular pair out for me. I don't know if they look ridiculous or super cool. Like, I don't know. Is there a fine line between complete ridiculousness or being super cool? I don't know. So I tried on some cheetah prints, and he's like, don't you already have some? I said, I have some similar. So anyway, this pair, of all the pair I tried on, this is the pair that Keith chose for me, okay? He said they look summery, a summer vibe. I don't know, I just feel so ridiculous in these, but I'm gonna put them on. And somehow, he talked me into buying them. Bam. What do you guys think for summer? I mean, do these look cute, or do I look goofy? I mean, are these cute, or do I just look ridiculous? I don't know. He said that would be so cute in the summertime. He said you wear a little hat and those sunglasses. You know, and it's so funny because my husband is not into fashion or anything like that, but he always does a pretty good job picking out things for me, and he just really liked these on me. So I really wanted to know, what do you guys think? Because they're a bit shocking. I've never had white sunnies before. And so yeah, it's not gonna hurt my feelings. If you don't like them, just say they suck. But I'm gonna wear them. I'm gonna wear them because, you know, I bought them. But it is something totally different. And yeah, Keith picked these out. So thought I'd show them to you. But anyway, I got them, all these sunnies. I think, you know, again, QUAY Australia, it's a great brand. They have so much to choose from. So I picked up a pair for my daughter, and Keith picked these out for me. What else did I get? Okay, so I have not been in JCPenney's, you guys, for years, and I've always said JCPenney's, it's like a store where old ladies shop at. But now that I'm an old lady, you know, I can shop there. But I found these overalls, and they're super cute. I love to wear overalls, you guys. And anyway, I found these like half off, little overalls. But what I liked about this particular pair is the back of them. There's not much of a back. It's just a strap. So I thought these would be really cute in the summertime with just like a little tube top underneath, and fold them up for a little beachy vibe and a little bit of distressing. I don't know. I just thought they were really cute. So I picked up a pair of overalls. I have quite a few pair of overalls, you guys. But yeah, so I picked these up, and I went in American Eagle looking for a denim skirt because I like to wear tights and denim skirts in the fall. I didn't find one, but I did find this one. So I love to shop in American Eagle, you guys. It's one of my favorite places to shop because it's just my jam. I mean, it's my type of clothing. It's not fancy. It's really good quality, and I love the color of this skirt. So like I said, I was looking for a denim skirt. I found this one, and this is a size 10. So it's really cute. It's a little stretchy, and they had a blue one. I kind of wish I had gotten both. I could go online and look. But anyway, I thought this would be cute with like a black turtleneck, some black tights, and some cute little boots. Pick that up. And, oh, okay. So I got a sports bra. At Marshall's. Oh, and one other clothing item. You guys, yeah, me and my fancy clothes. So I got a hooded sweatshirt, and it's Salt Life. You guys, I love this brand, and I love the back of it. It's got like a, I thought it looked really cool. It has a skull on the back of it, and it says Salt Life. And what I really loved about this sweatshirt is that it feels really soft, really warm, but yet it's not thick. Like, I cannot handle super thick sweaters or super thick hoodies or things like that. So I picked that up. So as far as clothes, that I think is all I got. And then when we were shopping in Destin, Keith and I went in the Vans outlet, and bam, I love these. So I went in there looking for a pair of high tops, and these are perfect. I love them, you guys. So cute, so comfortable. So I'll wear these even in the spring. And I was wanting, there was a pair, it was kind of a burgundy color, and I couldn't find my size, but I'm really glad that I got the black ones. You guys, I need to count how many pair of Vans I have, because I have Vans coming out the wazoo. And then I got one more thing at the Sperry outlet. And I've been looking at these for a while, and I just needed some new rain boots. So aren't these pretty? I love these. You just slip them on. Well, there's a zipper right here. And I just thought they were really pretty because I have a cream Michael Kors jacket that I thought would be really cute to wear these with. So I got those as well. Now, like I said, I did buy other things, but they're Christmas gifts that I cannot share. But that's my haul. And the thing that I'm the most excited about is this, you guys. And I feel like the year 2020, I'm gonna go on some kind of a wallet and chain rampage or something, because that's all I've been wanting. I just, oh my gosh, this is so nice. And I was just so thrilled. So of all the stuff that I got, this is my favorite thing. But, you know, no Chanel here, no Louis Vuitton, but I did get some really nice things that I think I'm gonna enjoy. I wanted to share them with you. And I just kind of feel like things like this are really great Christmas gifts. You don't have to break the bank now with all the sales going on, and I will link some of this, everything I can find, in the description box. And I'll be back next week with my 2020 luxury wish list. Yes, I do have one, believe it or not. All right, you guys, so I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.